Hey y'all, welcome back to Dots and Beyond. My name is Beth. Today we are going to take a look at the Clever Fox Hourly Weekly Undated Planner. So let's go ahead and get started. So those who've been watching for a little bit know that I have been experimenting in my everyday carry planner on whether I wanted some pre-printed structure in my planners. Went ahead and picked this up. This isn't actually the one that I am eyeballing on using, but I wanted to take a look at it. I'm going to do some video projects in it that I have planned. It comes in this box. The only thing I have done is unwrap the box, so we'll need to unwrap some other things when we get in here. I used a Clever Fox planner probably 3 years ago as sort of a Dots and Beyond planner. Since then, their range of planners has really expanded. I had also bought one for my son Kenny at one point because, fun fact, his favorite animal is the fox. It was just perfect. But it's been a while, and like I said, their product line has expanded rapidly. So let's take a look at this particular journal. We're going to open this up. Inside, it comes with this planner guide, and it looks pretty extensive. I am not going to read through everything. The steps in here, we have awareness, self-discovery, and daily rituals, visions of life, so your vision board, most important 1-year goals, 3-month goals and mind map, monthly calendar, monthly review, weekly plan, and then space for notes and memos. Again, very extensive, but it guides you through all of the parts of their planner. And then we are going to take this out of the box and out of the wrapper. And we'll get back to what's in the box in a minute. Here is the Clever Fox planner. I think I got mine in like a slate gray. This isn't A5. It's 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. It is 12 months undated. This is a vegan leather cover, and it does come in 12 different colors. Has this. Thank you for choosing Clever Fox wraparound on it, like many of the journals do. It says, achieve your goals and increase your productivity and happiness. Bold claim. All right, so quickly looking at this, in addition to what I just gave you, there are 3 bookmarks on this one. I have a black, a gray that matches the journal, and then a tan. It does have a pen loop opening up to the inside. The end pages are solid white on the front, solid white on the back. They do have a pocket that does not extend all the way to the seam, which I kind of like because sometimes the pocket gets in the way. Oh, and this is interesting. It's part of the pocket, not paper folded. It's made of some kind of a fabric, so it'll actually bend and hold together a little bit better. So that's a nice touch. Okay, let's look inside this sucker and see what's in here. So again, we have the white end pages. They put this awkward page, they put their if you found this in their header. I'm sure they know many of us kind of just ignore that page. Maybe it's nice to put that there. They are made with 100% recycled paper, which is one of those things that I also like. So in here we have awareness and self-discovery. What is the vision for the life I want? What are my core values? What am I passionate about? What brings me joy? Those kinds of questions. Space to write down daily rituals, morning and evening, affirmations, and things that you are grateful for. A large space for a vision board. I also like that this font is clean and neat. It is not an obtrusive font. I very much appreciate that. What do I want my life to be like 1, 5, 10, 20 years from now? And we have health and fitness, business and career, finance, personal development, relationships and romance, family and friends, fun and recreation, and spiritual. So 8 areas. 1-year goals for those 8 areas. 3-month goals, mind map, and here we've moved into a dot grid. Dot grid is a 5mm dot, and I think the dots are on par. We're gonna look in this Archer and Olive. They are definitely about the same, and this paper is definitely bright white, leaning on the blue side. There's a little bit of a difference in the bright white from the Archer and Olive and the bright white from the Clever Fox. I do prefer a bright white over a cream, I have to say. I've been in the cream with the official bullet journal, but I do prefer the bright white. So dot grid for a mind map space, 3-month goals, additional mind map, more 3-month goals, additional mind map, and one more time. So these are your quarterly, that is. And then we move into an undated month. So for the first month, you have an undated month that you can put in any way you need to plan that. So you can start at any time, which is the benefit of an undated planner. It takes away that frustration of starting a new thing in April and your planners all go back to January and you have 3 months of unused pages. That's what an undated planner is for. You can start whenever you want to. So on every month, you've got this month's goals in addition to your calendar, things I will do to make this month great, skills to learn, habits to accept, places to go and people to see, things to avoid. And I'm starting to lose my voice, so hopefully it hangs on. All right, and then we have a monthly review. You can do a level 10 life or level 8, so to speak, 8 areas. And then a monthly review that just continues down this side. And then we jump into the next month. So there are 12 months and they take up, these pages are not numbered, but it takes up about this much space to have those spreads for all 12 months. And then it jumps into a weekly section that is going to have the same weeks for the year all the way back to here. So these are all going to be weekly setups. They have a space for goals for the week, work-life balance. So there's your 8 areas. Something to try new, something that you're excited about. This is a Monday start with 3 priorities at the top. 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. time block, space for a weekly review, and then some dot grid at the bottom. And all of the weekly pages look that way specifically, and they take up the bulk of the journal. If you run your life off of a weekly plan, this is a great idea for you. Like if you don't need daily pages at all and you just run yourself off of this kind of a dashboard, this is a great planner to consider. And this is light enough that you can cover up some of this with stickers if you don't want to use it. And then jumping into the back, there are minimal pages for notes. Somebody like me is not going to use this for their daily planner because I need more of these pages than I do these pages. But I did want to go ahead and look at it. So I think we've got, 10 spreads of dot grid paper at the back. I'm going to go ahead and do a pen test in here. It's not going to be a very extensive one. I think we all pretty much know this paper is 120 GSM paper, if I did not say that before. It also feels coated. Couldn't find in the descriptor whether it was coated or not. So this is my everyday pen, my Sharpie S Gel. And obviously, it's not going to come through. Ditto probably for a pigment micron. Now, I don't have a Sharpie handy, but I do have a permanent marker. These are the ones that I use on top of my tabs and things when I am annotating in my reading journal, because those are a laminated surface. It does have 2 ends, which is why I purchased it instead of a Sharpie. So we have this end that is a little bit thicker, and then this end, which is very fine tipped. And let's peek. So yeah, as expected, that one is bleeding through, which is why I didn't use the thick tip. I may need to use this page. And what I'm going to be using it for, I don't know if y'all can see that, it is slowly seeping through, which a permanent marker, is bound to do being oil-based. Here is a Tombow black, and then I thought we would do an Archer and Olive acrylograph. I can't find my black one at the moment. That'll take a minute to dry. And an Archer and Olive calligraph. Again, not sure where my black one is. Both of those did okay on this 120 GSM paper. It's got to be coated because it does feel thicker than the paper in the Joyspring in the Bullet Journal Edition 2. It is not, a little bit thicker. So there is that. It's a very quick pen test. Not going to do an extensive one in here. But if you are looking at really just having daily and weekly planning and you want to start at any time of the year and also have some sort of Moxie Life goal planning along the way, that is built in with some instructions on how to use it, then this might be the journal that would interest you. Like I said, I bought it for a specific project that I am going to do, which is coming in the future. The other thing that we need to talk about is what came in the box. Here we have a warranty card with a no hassle refund, no questions asked, which is a very interesting policy to have. Then it also came with 6 sheets of planner stickers. So if you are a planner sticker person, there's already some built in. We have an alarm clock, day off, stay hydrated. This is a shopping bag, important work and to do, some general boxes, some general circles, some flags, important to do this week, don't forget, some hearts, drinks with friends, coffee, conversations, different shaped boxes, appointments, bills. Here we have some months, which I like. And you can just cover up that clear font that they had used in the gray. Lots of different things in here. Pin, payday, brownie face, adulting. Don't we all hate adulting? Dare to dream, a runner. It is a hodgepodge of stickers on that one. Here we have some affirmations and then some just other appointment boxes and things. Stop worrying about things you can't control. And then some icon stickers. Some checkmark, bow, workout, travel, eating, more coffee, cake, like to celebrate, doctor's appointments, meetings, gym, laundry, some general planner stickers, and a lot of different fun colors. I do like the copper. The copper's a good touch. I would say maybe if you order one of these planners, go with the rose gold or something that's going to match these stickers. Check them out. They have a whole lot of different products. Now, this is absolutely not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Bought this with my own money. You can find them on their website at cleverfox.com. You can also find them on Amazon if you feel like you need to have it tomorrow. Yeah, just looks like a great planner. I like to see the direction that different companies are taking and different things that they're adding to their lineups and test them out from time to time. And since it's been about 3 years since I'd looked at a Clever Fox, I thought I would just pop it open, look at it with y'all on camera as well. Not necessarily a full review, but just a peek at this Clever Fox planner. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one.